Hello everyone, welcome to Educational Northshore channel. Today we will discuss about Oracle database model. Let's start today's session. Let's see the contents of this session. First, I will explain what is database model. Second, I will explain different types of models. First is hierarchical model, second is network model, third is relational model, and fourth is entity relationship model. First, we will discuss what is database model. A database model defines the logical design and structure of a database and defines how data will be stored, accessed, and updated in database management system. A set of rules and standards that defines how the database organize or store data is called a database model. It is also define how user view the organization of a data. Then there are four types of a model. Let's see, first model is a hierarchical model. It is the one of the oldest database model developed by IBM for information management system. In a hierarchical database model, the data is organized into a tree-like structure. In a simple language, we can say that it is a set of organized data in a tree structure. The database model organizes data into a tree-like structure with a single root, to which all the other data is linked. The hierarchy starts from the root data and expand like a tree, adding child node to parent node. In this model, a child node will only have a single parent node. In a hierarchical model, data is organized into a tree-like structure with one-to-many relationship between two different types of data. See example. For example, one college have a many department, many courses, many teachers, and many students. This is a hierarchical model. Second model is a network model. Network database model organizes the data more like a graph and can have more than one parent node. The network model is a database model conceived as a flexible way of representing objects and their relationship. This is an extension of the hierarchical model. In this model, data is organized more like a graph and allowed to have more than one parent node. In this database model, data is more related as more relationships are established. In this database model, also as the data is more related, hence accessing the data is also easier and fast. This database model was used to map many to many data relationships. This was the most widely used database model before relational model was introduced. Let's see the example. Let's see the diagram. You can easy to understand what is network model. In this graph can have more than one parent node. This is the network model. Third is a relational model. In this model, data is organized into two-dimensional tables and the relationship is maintained by storing a common field. This model was introduced by E.F. Codd in 1970 and since then it has been the most widely used database model. In fact, we can say the only database model used around the world. Let's see the relation of these tables. The basic structure of a data in relational model is tables. All the information related to a particular type is stored in a rows of that tables. Hence, tables are also known as a relations in relational model. It is a relational database model. Fourth model is a entity relationship model. In this database model, relationships are created by dividing object of interest into entity and its characteristics into attribute. Different entities are related using relationship. It is also called as a ER model. ER models are defined to represent the relationship into pictorial form to make it easier for different stakeholders to understand. This model is good to design a database, which can then be turned into tables in relational model. Let's take an example. If we have to design a school database, then student will be an entity with attributes name, age, address, ID. As address is generally complex, it can be another entity with attribute street name, pin code, city, etc. And there will be a relationship between them. Relationship can also be of different types. It is a entity relationship model. I hope in this session you will understand what is database model and its different types. Thank you for watching this video.